Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
I wake up and go to the bathroom. I wake up and go to the bathroom. I turn on the bathroom light. I turn on the bathroom light. I look at myself in the mirror. I look at myself in the mirror. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I dry my face with a soft towel. I dry my face with a soft towel. I squeeze toothpaste onto my toothbrush. I squeeze toothpaste onto my toothbrush. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I rinse my mouth with water. I rinse my mouth with water. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. I take a warm shower every morning. I take a warm shower every morning. I use shampoo to wash my hair. I use shampoo to wash my hair. I rinse my hair with clean water. I rinse my hair with clean water. I turn off the shower and step out. I turn off the shower and step out. I wrap myself in a dry towel. I wrap myself in a dry towel. I apply moisturizer on my face. I apply moisturizer on my face. I put on my deodorant every morning. I put on my deodorant every morning. I clean the bathroom sink after using it. I clean the bathroom sink after using it. I hang my towel on the towel rack. I hang my towel on the towel rack. I turn off the bathroom light when I leave. I turn off the bathroom light when I leave. My bathroom routine is done. I feel fresh and clean. My bathroom routine is done. I feel fresh and clean.